Hello everyone, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox and do a little test run on this Merkava RC tank. It's by Heng 1/16 scale. So these two right here are detached. It might not be a problem. I think it can easily be installed. But just showing you guys that upon unboxing, it was detached. And even without its accessories, it actually looks good as is. Wow, even with this stock paint, it already has some kind of panel lining, but of course we can make it better. just go ahead and show you the remote. It actually looks like the 6.0 versions and even lower, but it has this 7.0 logo at the back, and we all know it now has added functions, but still, pretty much looks the same as the old one. And now this has all the functions on this back cover. So nice. And still it uses 6 batteries. Now I noticed the barrel, it has some play. Not sure if that's how it's designed or if it's damaged or something, but we'll find out later once we do a test run. And the shocks, actually they feel really good and they're very smooth. Let me just show you the back, how it looks like, and the other side. Looks better on this side, well, for me. And let me just show you guys a closer look. You can see the details, and again, this is the Pro version. So steel gears, metal wheels, metal tracks, and this is the back side again. So it has tail lights, obviously. Looks amazing. And we're back at the front. It really looks good as is. How much more once we have the accessories installed. Okay, battery is little bit above the storage charge, but it's okay. We're just gonna charge it a little bit just for the test run. Alright, it is now charging and it's set to Li-ion. Since it's a Li-ion battery, 186502S. Alright. Alright, so battery compartment for this one is not underneath, unlike with the older versions. It's actually on here. So let's go ahead and try to turn this a little bit. Okay, still not giving me enough space. Let's turn it more. I think that should do it. How did I do that? Oh, okay, sorry guys. So you pull this up. There you go. So you pull this up and then you push it to the side, and then there's a latch here. I think this, there you go. Voila. And that's how we get access to this. So this is the battery here. Power button is also here. It's off. Okay, just double checked. Alright, yeah, push that down there. Put the cover back in place. Think, and then put put it back. Okay, and we turn the TX on like so, and then let's turn this on. It's already blinking. All right, let me close this. Okay, and adjust the camera here. Okay, now let's get and turn it on. Smoke. Let's start it. The smoke. See, the smoke is already working. So let's just turn it off. All right. It's fast. Oh my! Look at that. Look. There's already a barrel recoil. Turn this back a little bit. Okay, I think this is very machine gun. I don't see any machine gun. Maybe we need to install it or something. I think machine gun needs to be installed. I don't see any machine gun. So cool. Turret moves so fast, guys. So it's not 360. It stops. That's it. What else do we have here? Okay guys, so on the left side here, these are all tuning. Okay, we're not gonna do anything with that, but this we can try. Recoil K plus S. Play K plus S. Recoil K plus S. So let's try that. Okay, another one. Doesn't have recoil. Another one. A little bit of recoil. Track recoil, I mean. So as you can already see how it should react, right? How much track recoil it has. There, this is the only barrel recoil. Okay, what else we have? Gyroscope, not sure. Sound effect, okay, G and K. GK, sound effect. Abrams off, I guess, when you change the sound settings. Let's try it again. I think this is the Abrams one. Okay, let's change the sound again. So it turns off every time you change the sounds, and then you have to turn it on again. I'm not sure what this is. Leopard? Is this the leopard, guys? Correct me if I'm wrong. Let's change sounds again. I think it's back to the default one. So there are only two sounds, right? I think it's just the Abrams and the leopard, if I'm not mistaken. This was the default. Look at the brakes, guys. Look at that. I haven't put any smoke oil, but earlier when I turned it on, smoke came out already. So there's already smoke here. How about the barrel? Alright, so no smoke that came out from the barrel. So maybe there's already a built-in oil in this smoker. Okay, so much for that test, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys will subscribe to see more videos. RC, model trains, gunpla, whatever hobby I have, I'll be sharing on my channel. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for all the support, guys. Bye.